Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to send money from your Wise account to your Interactive Brokers account in 2025 step by step. First of all, open your Wise app or visit the Wise website. On the home screen, tap Send Money under your account section. Enter the amount you want to transfer, choose same currency, then select USD if that's what your IB account uses. Next, click Add Recipient, select Bank Details and choose Myself if you are funding your own Interactive Brokers account. Now, go to your Interactive Brokers account and locate your funding instructions, including routing number, account number, and any additional required information. Then return Wise and enter these details exactly as shown in your IB portal. Double check all information for accuracy. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and complete transfer. The funds should arrive based on the standard processing time for Wise and IB, usually within 1 to 2 business days. If you haven't signed up for Wise yet, use the link in the description to get started for free and possibly unlock a free money transfer offer on your first transaction. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow investors. Thanks for watching.